Hey friends, this is a quick tutorial video from the Subaru here. This is my mother-in-law's Subaru. She gave us the spare key. And unfortunately, even though I'm supposed to just be able to have the key here within my person in the car, watch, I'll push this, try to start it, and then I get this little note here. Let's see if you can read that, access key not detected. So for some reason, the spare key is not being detected. Now here's the trick. Basically, you need to come up here and tap it a couple of times, and then it recognizes it as the second key. So again, that's all you really need to do, and now it should be useful. Again, primary key, you should be able to get close, but with the spare one, you do need to get close and tap in order for it to activate. All right, friends, I hope that helps. Again, just a quick little Subaru tip to get your spare keys going. If this has helped, stay tuned, make a bunch more of these car DIY tutorial videos to make your life just a little bit easier. See you on the next one.